Hey everyone, I'm Danny and welcome to Wizardry Workshop. As you can see, I'm not in my usual studio. I'm actually on vacation at the beach right now, and I really wanted to get a beach unboxing video because I thought it would be really fun, so let's get into it. In this video, we're going to be unboxing the Wizarding Trunk Presents the Owlery, and this is the years 1 through 7 box. So it's got things in it relating to each year at Hogwarts. So here we are, right here on my beach towel. You can probably hear the wind and the ocean in the background, and I hope that it's not too distracting, but let's get into this box. Okay, so right off the bat, we see there's a print, a nice looking print of the golden egg. So that is a really nice art print right here. And next up, let's go for this little pin right here. This is also a golden egg thing, so there are 2 golden egg items in here, but that's actually a really nice looking pin. I've got to say, I've never seen a pin quite like this one. This is weird because I'm like doing it upside down. All right, let's see what's in this. Okay, so I know what this is. I know what a lot of these items are because I either had a hand in helping with the design work or, you know, I did do the cheat sheet, so I know what items are in here, but I don't know exactly what they look like. But this one, I do know what it looks like. Here we have a bottle of Devil's Snare, and this looks just so cool. And I did design the label for this bottle. I don't know exactly what's inside of it. It looks like it might be like dried moss, maybe colored black, but very fitting for this item. Next up, we have this little curious thing. It says the sorting candle. So yeah, this is actually something really cool I've been kind of wanting to see. It's supposed to smell like leather and old books, but when you burn the candle, it actually reveals the color of your Hogwarts house. And it does. That smells like leather to me. That smells just like leather. Oh my God, I don't understand how they did that. I like the smell of this candle, and I will burn this one for sure. And make sure they put me in Hufflepuff or Slytherin. And next, here's another little white box we have. Okay, and I do know what this item is. This is the mirror shard. Here, let me get it out of here for you guys to see. This is the mirror shard, which Harry has, and that is Aberforth Dumbledore's eye looking back through the mirror. I think this is a pretty cool idea, and I do like the way it was executed, but it would be, I don't know, I almost feel like it would be even cooler if this item was an actual photo of like a real person's eye rather than being artwork. It's cool being artwork, but it would just make it feel more real if it was a real eye. But, I mean, that's my own personal opinion. Next, we've got this little box right here, which I did design the box design on that. Yeah, we just got some symbols and another dark mark on the back. But if we open it up, there is, of course, styrofoam. And I've seen people have a lot of trouble getting this out of here. Yeah, it just popped right through the styrofoam like a little mole in a hole. I don't want to litter on the beach. I don't want to litter at all, but I don't want to litter on the beach. There we go. This is a Death Eater training dummy like they used in Dumbledore's army. And I'm sorry, I have not been going through all the different years at Hogwarts that these items represent, but that is a really cool looking statue. It looks like old, like aged bronze. It even has some like green in there. Very cool, very nice looking, and I'm gonna put this up on my shelf for sure. Next up, we have this little item right here, and obviously there's no mistaking what that is. That is a flying key, of course. It is very well made. There's like this transparent glass in between the little like parts of the wing, so it just looks really nice. Very nice and heavy, actually. It looks like it's supposed to be like a Christmas tree ornament or something, which is a bit strange to be getting at this time of year, but it's still a really cool item you could hang. It doesn't have to be on your Christmas tree. All right, I guess let's go for this big box right here. Okay, yeah, I remember what this one is. So this is the pouch that Hagrid gives Harry, the like moleskin pouch. I don't remember exactly what it does, but that is what this is supposed to be. And it's a faux leather is what it feels like, but it's not like bad quality. So, you know, that's cool. And then there's another thing in this box, all wrapped in bubble wrap, an Azkaban prison mug. And this is a huge mug. I love gigantic mugs like this because it's something that I could put soup in, and I love soup. So like anything that I can put soup in, I am happy with. And this is really cool. I'm definitely going to use this. This is obviously an Azkaban prison number plate there on the front of the mug. All right, we got another box in here. Had to wait for like a military plane to fly overhead. There we go. I already know what this is. I've been wanting to see it. It is the Basilisk Bang. There is some green right here in the middle that kind of symbolizes the venom of the basilisk. So that is just so cool, and I love the paint job on this. I think this is probably the best looking Basilisk Fang replica that I have seen. I know that other subscription boxes have done something similar, but I mean, this surpasses all of them in my opinion. Let me know what you think. All right guys, there's just a few more items in here. I'm gonna go ahead and do this one right here, which is a book cover, of course, one of my book covers that I've been designing for the Wizarding Trunk for a ton of Harry Potter books and like other related books, not just in the main series. Unfortunately, I do not have one with me here at the beach, so I can't put this on the book, but I can show you what this looks like. And here we go. Oh, I hope we are getting a good view of that. But it is Perfect Potions for Advanced Potioneers. It is kind of the Wizarding Trunk's take on the Advanced Potion Making book. Like it's kind of inspired by that, if you know what I mean. A lot of silver foil on there. Man, I hope that is coming through in the video because it looks just wonderful. And we've got notes on the sides here. They are from like a really old book on alchemy, so it might not make a whole bunch of sense if you read it. But yeah, I think that turned out really cool looking with that silver foil. And next we have just like a couple of paper replicas in here. So I'm gonna go for the creature page first. So we have the basilisk on this side right here. And then on the other side, we have the Boggart, which has a spider and a creepy looking clown right at the bottom there. So these pages, we're doing A through Z. So we're gonna have a creature or two for every single letter of the alphabet. You've gotta go through the Wizarding Trunk to get these because you can't get them anywhere else. This is the very last print right here. It is your toads. Instead of your owls or newts, we've got your toad exam, and that is technical occult assessment demonstration. And this is actually a full exam that you can read and fill out and answer the questions. I mean, it took a lot of work. The Wizarding Trunk, Dustin actually wrote all the questions and I just basically pasted them in. But I did all the design work for this, and I tried to make it look a lot like the owl exams from the movie prop. So yeah, that's what that is. And then of course, last we have the cheat sheet. And this is the Abracadaily instead of Abracadabra, it's Abracadaily. And we have a lot of stuff on here, but we're just gonna go really quick through this and give credit where credit is due. Anything I don't mention here was either designed by me or designed in-house by the Wizarding Trunk. So here we go, the Golden Egg Pin. And this was designed by J.P. Mistlecrow. The broken mirror shard here with Aberforth Dumbledore's eye was designed by J.P. Mistlecrow as well. Now let's talk about favorites. And I can't pick anything that I designed, so I'm gonna take that toad exam and put it away. I'm also gonna take that book page and put it away. And the book cover, we're gonna put that away too. And we're left with actually quite a few things, and I think my absolute favorite thing might be the Basilisk Bang, honestly. And then the Devil's Snare, although I did do the label, I think what's inside is really cool too. So these might be my two favorites. And then my two runner-ups, I guess, would be the Training Dummy and the Azkaban Prison Mug. Let me know what your favorites were in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I apologize for the sounds of the wave and the sounds of the wind. It might not have been the best choice to do this on the beach, and I'll see you in the next video.